there, today we're taking butternut squash, roasting it in the oven for a super easy butternut squash soup. A medium butternut squash into like 1-inch cubes, about 2 carrots and just chunked up, and depending on the size of your onion, a small onion or a half of a large onion. So get your oven heated to 400 degrees. I am going to add about 2 tablespoons, a tablespoon and a half of my avocado oil, and just give a really good toss. And then I'm going to do a half a teaspoon of my kosher salt and about a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to go white pepper here. And again, we're just going to give that a really nice toss. And we're going to spread that onto the sheet tray. And to that, I'm going to add a bulb of garlic, and I've taken, well, if you can see it, I just cut the top off of it. And we're going to add that to our tray. Add a little oil just to the top. I'm just going to add some oil. We don't want him burning. Into that 400 degree oven for 40-45 minutes. So we're out of the oven. I did check on them and stir them one time. And you just want to make sure they are completely soft. And these feel a little tight to me, so I'm going to give them a few more minutes. I'm going to check my garlic. It is nice and soft. I'm going to pull my garlic because I want to let that cool down so I can squeeze it out. I'm just going to give these about 5 more minutes. So for your garlic, especially if you have a really big head of garlic and you don't want that much garlic in your soup, squeeze it out onto a separate plate, and then you can just put how much garlic you want in your soup and save the rest of your roasted garlic for making aioli or maybe putting it into a pasta sauce or a soup. When it is cool enough that you can handle it, you just squeeze them out. So now that they're all ready and roasted and tender, I'm going to transfer those to my pot here. Maybe do about this much garlic. 1/2 cup of heavy cream. And I've got some chicken stock, and this is just going to depend on the consistency that you want your soup to be, how much chicken stock that you add. And then I'm going to take my immersion blender. Now you can also do this in your blender. So I actually kind of like the consistency, but this is all of the stock I have left, so I'm going to go ahead and add it. I'm going to do just a little pinch of nutmeg. And then I'm going to taste to see if I need any more salt or pepper. So I'm just going to take this over to the stove. I just want to warm it all back through. I just want you to see how beautiful this color is. Isn't that gorgeous? And I did some shredded Gouda. I'm going to put a little Gouda on top of mine. And I also did some bacon, so I'm going to do a little bacon. So I'm going to make this even better, I think. I'm going to get a little taste with the bacon and the Gouda. What an easy, beautiful, delicious soup to make from butternut squash. I'm going to enjoy mine, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.